G'day ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls and everyone in between. It's Matthew here from howtoplaythesax.com, where we are all about having fun, playing saxophone, being awesome and repeating the whole process. So, hands up, who likes the Rolling Stones? Me, I like the Rolling Stones. I like the Rolling Stones. I like the Rolling Stones. Excellent, I'm pleased that you like the Rolling Stones because I like the Rolling Stones too. Today, what I thought we'd do in this lesson is we will lose our G rating for this program here today, and I apologise. Today we're going to do Bitch by the Rolling Stones. Amazing song, Bitch by the Rolling Stones. Lots of heavy guitars, classic Rolling Stones stuff. We, on our saxophones, we will play along with the brass lines, and the brass lines in Bitch by the Rolling Stones, they play along with the guitar riff. So we're all going to play guitars here in this lesson today at howtoplaythesax.com. Are you ready? All right, Bitch by the Rolling Stones. Let's get into it. Okay, how does it go? Just have a listen. Just have a listen. This is what we're going to do in this lesson. We're going to play the main riff, and there's a couple of other bits and pieces too. But here's the main riff. Are you ready? Here it goes. It sounds like this. And it does that a few times over and over again throughout the song. All right, so how does it go, I hear you cry? Okay, let's break it down into a few little components first. Here we go, the first little bit. Let's just have a listen. This is what we'll do first. Da 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 da. 1, 2, 3. Da 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 da. Okay, those notes. What are those notes? Those notes are C sharp starts on a C sharp, jumps to an E with the register key, E, jumps to an E, 2 F sharps, down to 1 E, back up to 2 F sharps, keeping our register key on. I'll play it, you join in. Join in. Notes along the bottom. Here we go. The first little bit. 1, 2, 3. Again, 2, 3. Cool. Da 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 da. All right, let's do the second line. The second line, it sounds like da 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 ba ba. So those notes, E, F sharp, E, B, A. So this is all with the register key. Sounds like, again, just have a listen. Da 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 da. Can you join in with me? 1, 2, 3. Oh, 1, 2, 3. Cool. Let's put those two lines together. Ba 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 ba. Let's put those together. A 1, a 2, a 1, 2, 3. Again, 2, 3. Hopefully you can hear my foot tapping. Cool. This is good. We're halfway through. This is a good thing. Let's keep going. The second part of this riff. Just have a listen. So these notes, it's all starting to sound fairly familiar, fairly similar. That second half. So those notes, C sharp, E, F sharp, F sharp, E, B, A, all with the register key except for that starting C sharp. So again, this third line, the start of the second half of this riff, this third line. Join in with me. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Cool, this is good. And then the last little part of this, bop ba 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 bop. Okay, so those notes, bop ba da ba ba. C sharp, open C sharp again, up to an F sharp with the register key, up to an F sharp, down to an E, still with the register key, thumb at the back, drop down to an A. So we're dropping the register key. So we've got an A without the register key, down to an F sharp, no register key. So let's do that slowly because that little jump can be a little bit tricky. Ba 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 ba. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Cool. This is good. This is good. All right, let's do those last two lines. Notes along the bottom. Join in with me. We'll play it a couple of times. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Cool. This is good. This is good. It's weird timing, but if you can sort of get into the think Keith Richards, kind of snarl a bit. Think Ronnie Wood's, kind of snarl. We're thinking Mick Jagger, flap your kind of shoulders, flap your elbows. That's the kind of vibe. You know, Charlie Watts just sitting there in the background, just doing his thing. We will just do our thing. But if you can think Rolling Stones, put on a few wrinkles, kind of just snarl a little bit, have a lot of fun, because the Rolling Stones, they are the epitome of having fun. They have fun. Let's play the whole riff. Let's play the whole riff together. We'll play it a couple of times. Nice. Let's do it slowly. Ba 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 ba. That speed. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. Again. 2, 3. Cool. Groovy bananas. This is good. All right. That's the main riff. That is the hard part of the song. There's a couple of other little bits. Let's quickly talk about the other bits. There are some little stabs, low notes. There's another part of this song. There's a bridge. What do you reckon? Shall we give it a go? Yes, I hear you cry. Yes, let's give it a go. Yes, yes, let's play it. Good thinking. Let's do it. Okay, download the cheat sheet. I've said it before and I'll say it again. Download the cheat sheet. Cool, got that. You can play it as many times as you like. The Rolling Stones won't mind. I was talking to Mick and Keith and Charlie and Ronnie just yesterday, and I said, guys, we're gonna do Bitch by you guys for howtoplay-the-sax.com, and they said, Matthew, no problem, slow it down. May we make a suggestion? And I said, Keith, of course you can make a suggestion. And he said, Matthew, play the riff whenever you like. Tell your saxophone people to play the riff whenever you like. And I said, Keith, thank you very much. And then Mick, he kind of said, well, we're not really having this conversation. And I said, I know, but I'm enjoying this conversation anyway in my head. So putting the imaginary conversation with me and the Rolling Stones aside, we can play this riff whenever we like. The brass kind of come in at fairly key points in the song. You play it as often as you like. Have a listen, but the point is, play it. If it feels good, play it. We, as saxophone players, as brass instruments, brass lines, we could play it with the brass guys in this song, in this recording, or we could just play it whenever we feel like it. You do you. All right, let's pick it up with the Rolling Stones. Let's play it at full speed. It's a bit quick. Trust me, what could go wrong? Are you ready? Here we go. Here we go. All right, ready for the riff. Here we go. 1, and then we fade out. Hey, 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 etc., etc., etc. The Rolling Stones. Bitch. Fantastic. Rock and roll saxophone at its finest, or not as the case may be, each to their own. I like it. I enjoy it. I would encourage you to have fun, play saxophone, be awesome, and repeat, and repeat, and repeat, and have a bit more fun, and play a bit more saxophone, and be awesome, and repeat. etc. Thank you very much. My name is Matthew from howtoplaythesax.com. Awesome song. Well done. Keep playing your saxophone. Thank you. I'll see you in another lesson at another time inside the members area at howtoplaythesax.com. Thanks a lot. See you next time. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, and everyone in between. Thanks heap for joining me in this free saxophone lesson. Please, just want to remind you, if you are looking for the full lesson, we've left a little bit out of this lesson you've just done. If you're looking for the full lesson, please become a member at howtoplaythesax.com, and I'll see you inside the members area for this full lesson and many, many, many others. I'll see you at howtoplaythesax.com. My name is Matthew. Thank you. I'll see you in another lesson.